What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Michael Schaefer. Today we're here with another video. Today we're making one of my favorite meals that I personally like. Or maybe not my favorite meal, but one of my favorite meals that I personally like. Which I'm really excited to show you guys. And it's right here. Today we are making Manwick thick and chunky sloppy joe sauce. I love sloppy joes. And I was like, what a perfect video. Make something that I really like, which is this. And it's going to be a good dinner too. Gonna be doing it for dinner. But that's what we're making today. All you really need for this is a pan, to cook your meat on, your spatula, your can of sloppy joe sauce, and your hamburger meat. And then you need a strainer. It's not really a whole lot, just these 4 simple things right here, or 5 simple things, and that's all you really need to make a good meal. So let's get into making this. Alright, so before we get too far in the video, I just want you all to hit that like button down below and get ready for our video after this one, because our next video after this, we are making pizza, which I am very excited for. Pizza is very good. Alright, but the first thing you're going to have to do when you're cooking is, just warm it up. I put it on medium heat at first, and then once my food gets cooking, then I turn it up if I need to. But the first thing we're going to do, get our hamburger meat, use a knife, just cut it straight. But then we take it, we drop it all in there, make sure we get every last bit. Like that. And then we wash our hands, basically. Wash your hands, smelly down the street. Wash them well, wash them just how you breathe. Oh, the dog's barking. Alright, now that we're here, we're going to start chopping up our meat. We're going to make sure it all gets chopped up and that it looks good when it's done. Alright, I'll be back when it's all chopped. Alright, now that our hamburger meat's almost done. It's almost fully done now. Pretty close. I mean, just like a minute or 2 left on some of these pieces. We're going to go ahead and get our strainer ready in the sink and get the hot water rolling. Alright, so we got our strainer. We're going to shove that in there. Turn on the hot water. I put it off to the side. Just turn it on full blast and let it heat up. Now we're going to go get our hamburger meat. And we're going to go put our hamburger meat and strain it. And then just got it the rest of the way. And we're ready to strain this now. Let's pick it up and go strain. Turn our oven down or stove down first. Alright, here we go. Alright, so we got our hamburger meat here. I got it on low medium. And we're going to open up our sauce and get it poured in. Alright, we got that sauce open. Just pull up the lid. Take it. So I like to pour a little bit in. About half of it, and then give it a little mixture. Mix it up a little bit, and then go ahead with the rest. Set that there. Go ahead and finish mixing this. Oh, and look at that. I keep making a mess. That looks amazing. Alright, I got my plate ready. Now it's time to scoop up. I like to drag it all here. Get some. Place it on there. Get a little more. Place it on there. Grab our second one, scooping. Place it on. A little more. Place it on. Alright. That looks good. Throw a bread over. And that looks amazing. Look at that. Looks amazing. All that sloppy Joe sauce. Now it's time for my favorite part. Tasting it. Same thing as yesterday. We're just going to pick it up and I'll tell you how it went. Kind of sloppy. It's not bad. I rate those brownies higher, but this ain't bad. It's good. Has good taste, but I really like those brownies a lot more than this. But this ain't bad. This is pretty good. And that's gonna wrap it up. That's gonna wrap it up for this video. If you haven't yet, go down below, hit that like button, subscribe, helps the channel out. Leave a comment on what you want to see next, or not next, because next is gonna be a pizza video, where I'm gonna make some pizzas. But after that, what you want to see after that. And I'm gonna go finish dinner. Wish me luck on not dying from what I'm eating. And I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.